in Cebu, where do we find vegetarian all the food, vegetarian fish, vegetarian chicken, vegetarian. Cebu only have one shop. Where do we find vegetarian thing? All the vegetarian meat, all the vegetarian thing. When let I show you. When you easily to find in Cebu. When you want to kasi donation, when homes cook and you give to people for food, you cooking all the vegetarian. This shop you can find this all the vegetarian thing. This is vegetarian, all the vegetarian laksa, all the paste they have automatically vegetarian Maggi. You can cook Maggi, you can mix. This is a vegetarian curry. If you want to stand by the vegetarian, buy here vegetarian fish ball whatever thing you can. This paste you use to cook also. Can they had ready-made thing. If you want to buy laksa thing, all everything laksa paste they already ready made. If you made by yourself, and then you can use this one. This is actually fish ball. This is fish ball, vegetarian fish ball. You can cook soup also, you can cook curry also, anything you can cook also. And then this is the vegetarian prawn. This is really look like vegetarian prawn, but this is a vegetarian. Anybody can eat. You can cook curry. You can cook soup. You can cook sweet and sour. Whatever you want to do, you can do also. And then this is vegetable Hokkien stick. This one also you can use also using to soup also can. If you want to sizzling also you can mix, and then if you want to using to ketchup. So I am showing to this shop shortly which what thing have. Later you can come to buy. Okay. This is a vegetarian, all the Maggi, me, all the vegetarian. This is no mixed meat, no mix any kind of fish, rampa, anything. This is a very nice flavor. You can buy, you come to buy. This is also flour. Flour also have. What do you put? This is vegetarian shark fin. This is also very famous. People using traditional soup, using soup inside. People eat this one. Chinese people mostly like this one. Also vegetarian. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sini.
This is vegetarian mayonnaise. Vegetarian mayonnaise. This is a vegetarian mayonnaise. Eggless. They don't have egg. So some people like to eat mayonnaise, but they are all vegetarian. This one can eat. I also buy always. Vegetarian tom yum. This is a vegetarian tom yum. Also nice. You can try. Vegetarian. This one is this is what. Sauce tiram. This is the sauce tiram, vegetarian sauce tiram. Very hard to find. Vegetarian sauce tiram. All the vegetarian things have. This one, yeah. Right. This is vegetarian. Okay. Start. This is a vegetarian also. Vegetarian food. You can cook also the soup also. Hot. You can do also to ketchup. You can cook with ketchup. You can cook with mushroom soup. All everything you can mix. And then this is also spring roll also vegetarian thing. This is you can cook also curry. You can fry also. This is Buddha. The children also like very much this one. This is also meat, vegetarian meat. This is also you can cook using with burger also, using with cook and then fry also, fry to using the chili sauce and then ketchup also. This is any kind of you cook whatever you want to do you can do. This is all vegetarian. This is a barbecue meat. Barbecue. You can do also barbecue. Whatever you want to masa, which one you masa, you can do. This all is pure vegetarian. Cebu, this shop is very famous. So many people coming to buy things, and some people don't know this shop. This is later we give address in description. You can find this shop very easily. This is a fish. This is a vegetarian fish. You can use the curry, masa curry. You can cook sweet and sour. You can fry only with flour. Also, this is also nice. This is a vegetable. This is the chicken drumstick. You can use tom yum soup. Very nice flavor. If people like to eat tom yum soup and fry also can simple fry with oil also nice. Thank you very much. You can come to buy any food vegetarian. I buy just myris and tom yum. I like this one. You anytime can come this shop. You can buy the thing all vegetarian.